Budapest, Hungary's capital. Buda and Pest, that becomes Budapest. Buda district with hilly area connected to the flat Pest becomes Budapest, and the 19th century chain bridge connects between these two places. So chain bridge is also a very famous one in Budapest.
ഹലോ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. നിങ്ങൾ തരുന്ന ഓരോ റെസ്പോൺസസും എനിക്ക് വളരെ എൻകറേജിങ് ആണ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓരോ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷനും ഓരോ ലൈക്കും വ്യൂവും വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. ആൻഡ് താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ ദ എൻകറേജ്മെൻറ്റ് വാട്ട് യു ആർ ഗിവിംഗ് ഫോർ മൈ ചാനൽ. So hope you liked the previous two videos too. So today I'm talking about the country Hungary. So we went to Budapest, which is the capital of the country Hungary. I think Budapest and Italy, those are the two places which we felt like we should go back once again. നമ്മൾ 8-9 കൺട്രീസ് ഈ ഇത്രയും ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ കവർ ചെയ്തതിൽ ഇറ്റലിയും ബുഡാപെസ്റ്റുമാണ് ഏറ്റവും ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് തോന്നിയത്. ബുഡാപെസ്റ്റ് വാസ് Italy was very famous for museums, art and things like that, but whereas Budapest I felt it had so much of peace. I felt ഭയങ്കര ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ സിനിക് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്ലേസസും എൻറ്റയർ ഗ്രീനറി ഭയങ്കര പീസ്ഫുൾ ആയിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് നോർമലി ഓൾസോ വെൻ യു ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദം ലൈക്ക് they are not in hurry as much as we guys are. അതാണ് എനിക്കൊരു സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് തോന്നിയത്. when we travel to Europe, people still have time. They are not too much in hurry. If you ask for a place or things like that, they will take their efforts to make you understand. And one thing, like Europe കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ we all feel like like English ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാനേജ് ചെയ്ത് പോവാം. They all know English, and that was not at all the case. Even in Italy, in Budapest, etc., many of them, I think, majority of them don't know English. So even if when you ask in English, they may understand a little bit, but some of them don't even understand, and they are not able to explain. So only thing what you can do is you have if you have a map of the place, you just show where to go, what you really wanted to do, then they will explain. And it's always important to carry a map, and that helps you to find out the route and how to get into one destination to the other, etc. So the map is a very, very important. And so yeah, that was surprising. Like many of them don't understand English, and you have to literally if you have to find out a place, it is little difficult. You need to ask people by the help of a map, etc. And yeah, I mean, I felt they are very, very peaceful. They are like at their own pace, not as hurry as we are. Like even when you if you are trying to cross a road, they will just stop their vehicle, may allow you to pass, and then they go drive ahead. Or if you're waiting beside, they will literally stop the car and tell you to cross the road, and then they take the vehicle. And here, like നമുക്ക് അതിനൊന്നും സമയമില്ല. We don't wait for anyone. We don't give that kind of a small gestures in our life. We try to hurry up first, let me go first, and then you do what you wanted to do. It's become our normal attitude, and we feel that's the way it is. But when you go to a different country and when you see their culture, you really realize what is the small thing which is lacking in our day-to-day routine. So to see the Budapest beauty, watch into the video.
One of the most photogenic cities in Europe, that is Budapest. Let's see the 10 Budapest sites which you don't want to miss when you travel. Hungarian State Opera House. So this building was just near to the place where we have stayed. Opera House is also maintained as a museum. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അതിനകത്ത് പോകുമ്പോൾ ഹംഗറീനെ കുറിച്ചും ബുഡാപെസ്റ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചുമുള്ള എൻറ്റയർ ഹിസ്റ്ററി അത് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനൊരു ഗൈഡ് അതിന് കൂടെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദേ വിൽ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ എല്ലാ ഹിസ്റ്റോറിക്കൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് അബൌട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ബിൽഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് എവറിത്തിങ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ വിത്തിൻ ദ ബിൽഡിംഗ്. അതുകൂടാതെ ഇടവിട്ട സമയങ്ങളിൽ ദർ ഇസ് സം പ്രോഗ്രാം ഇസ് ഓൾസോ ഹാപ്പനിങ് ഇൻ ദിസ് ബിൽഡിംഗ് ലൈക്ക് ഒപ്പേറ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു കാണും ടി വിയിലൊക്കെ ഹൗ the performance which is called an opera. So that was also happening when we went to see that museum. Parliament House is one of the iconic building in Budapest and the night view is amazing. Beer bike. This is one common thing which you will see in throughout Europe. The tourists doing the sightseeing by pedaling themselves in a bike, sipping beer with a group of people. So it comes in different capacity. പക്ഷേ ഇതൊരു throughout Europe ഇത് വളരെ common ആയിട്ട് കാണാം. They're like enjoying the tour within the city. It's around for 2 hours. Hero Square is one of the major square in Budapest. ഇത് നമുക്ക് ബസ്സിൽ പോകുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ പുറത്തുനിന്ന് തന്നെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. It's one of the main junction and it has all the iconic statues of Hungarian national leaders. So it's a memorial stone of all heroes. Chain Bridge, which is 375-meter long, Buda and Pest രണ്ടിനെയും കൂടെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന bridge ആണ് ഇത്. This is considered as one of the modern world's engineering wonder. This bridge was constructed in 1849. The walking across the bridge is one of the most popular thing to do in Budapest. Citadel gives an amazing view of the entire Budapest and the chain bridge, etc., which is on top of a mountain, which require almost 30 minutes for you to walk. Citadel has beautiful garden, fort, and a church inside. It's a huge area. I mean, to walk around itself, it will take a lot of time, and it's very, very beautiful. This is the largest medicinal bath in Europe, thermal bath. Its water is supplied by 2 thermal springs, and the temperature is 74 to 77 degree. And the bath has n number of pools with different range of temperature, and you can see the temperature is displayed there. There is an adventure pool, thermal sitting pool, swimming pool, outdoor pool, n number of pools inside and outside, and they have a spa separately for men and women. It's amazing to see, and I have never seen such an n number of baths together at a different temperature variance.
Hope you liked the video. You liked the details about Budapest. To watch more videos about my Europe travel, please subscribe the channel if you are not seeing this video for the first time, and click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload the videos in my channel. And I will be uploading videos every Wednesday and Saturday about my travel stories. And thank you so much being with me. Thank you.